Unveiling the Mystery, Making Predictions in Reading. Hello learners, welcome back to our series on reading comprehension strategies. Today, we are diving into a fascinating part of the world of inference and interpretation, making predictions. But not just that, we will be looking at the crucial connection between making predictions and inferences. So, let's get started. Making predictions is a vital part of the reading process. When we read, we constantly make guesses about what might happen next. This is not just a random guesswork, but is based on the information already given in the text. These guesses or predictions can enhance our understanding of the text and keep us engaged. Now, let's quickly revisit inferences. An inference is a conclusion reached based on evidence and reasoning. It's like being a detective and finding clues in the text to understand the hidden meanings or situations not directly mentioned. So, where do predictions and inferences intersect? Here's the secret. Making predictions in reading is actually a type of inference. Yes, you heard it right. When you predict, you are making an informed guess about what will happen next in the text based on the clues or information you've already gathered. Let's put it this way, every prediction is an inference, but not every inference is a prediction. Predictions look forward to what might happen, while inferences can go forward, backward, or delve deeper into the text. Knowing the connection between predictions and inferences can improve your reading skills dramatically. When you predict, you're actively engaged with the text, and you're using your inference skills to fill in the gaps. This interaction helps in better understanding and remembering the text. Well, there you have it. The intriguing connection between making predictions and inferences. Remember, every prediction you make is you practicing inference. So, keep predicting, keep inferring, and you'll become a more proficient reader in no time. Thank you for watching, and keep exploring the world of English language with us.